Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Marhaban bikum. In today's lesson, we are continuing with our basic Arabic grammar course, and today we'll be continuing looking at plural nouns. In the last lesson, we looked at Jam' al-Mudhakkar as-Salim, the sound masculine plural, and today we will be looking at Jam' al-Mu'annath as-Salim, which is the sound feminine plural. So, هو الذي يدل على أكثر من اثنتين بزيادة ألف وتاء. It is the one that indicates on more than two females, so it indicates more than two females by adding an alif and a ta. So you add an alif and a ta and it becomes plural. That is if it is a sound plural, feminine plural. So for example, the word muslimatun, it becomes muslimatun. So you delete the Taa Marbootah, the round ta, and you add an alif and a ta. Mu'minatun becomes mu'minatun. Mudarissatun becomes mudarissatun. So what is the sign of it being marfoo, mansoob and majroor? If it's marfoo, it's simple, just like the singular one. It's marfoo, and the sign of it being marfoo is a Dhamma. Also, majroor is simple. It's the same as the singular form. When we took talibatun, we said it's marfoo and the sign of it being marfoo is a Dhamma, and also the sign of it being majroor is a kasra. The thing that's unusual about Jam' al-Mu'annath Salim is if it is mansoob. Normally something is mansoob and the alama or the sign of it being mansoob is a fatha. But when it comes to Jam' al-Mu'annath Salim, it's not a fatha, rather it is a kasra. So let's look at some examples. ذهبت الطالبات إلى المدرسة. ذهبت الطالبات إلى المدرسة. The female students went to the school. So الطالبات in this sentence is the fa'il, is marfoo, and the sign of it being marfoo is a Dhamma. رأيت الطالبات. I saw the female students. الطالبات in this sentence is maf'ul bihi, and it's mansoob, and the sign of it being mansoob is a kasra. And do not forget this, because this one always catches students out in the exams. It is mansoob with a kasra and not a fatha. And ذهبت إلى الطالبات. I went to the female students. الطالبات is majroor, and the sign of it being majroor is a kasra because it has ila before it, and anything that comes after a preposition is majroor. So Jam' al-Mu'annath as-Salim is marfoo, and the sign of it being marfoo is a Dhamma, and it's mansoob, and the sign of it being mansoob is a kasra, and it's majroor, and the sign of it being majroor is a kasra. I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And bi-idhnillahi ta'ala, I'll catch you in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.